Hey there! Today, we are diving into the top 5 slow cookers of 2024, perfect for simplifying your meal prep and delivering delicious dishes with minimal effort. From versatile features to durability and design, these slow cookers have earned their spots on our list. Let's explore the innovative technology and functionalities that make them stand out in the world of cooking appliances. At number 5 is the Calphalon Digital Sauta Slow Cooker, a versatile kitchen appliance that simplifies meal preparation. With this cooker, you can sear, brown, saute, and slow cook all within the same pot, enhancing flavors for delicious dishes. Its removable cooking pot is compatible with electric, gas, or induction cooktops, allowing you to brown or sear ingredients before slow cooking begins. The LCD digital display makes controlling various cooking modes effortless, enabling precise preparation of dishes like tender pulled pork, flavorful curry chicken, or aromatic paella. The non-stick ceramic coating not only ensures easy cleaning but also offers exceptional durability, being 11 times stronger than traditional non-stick surfaces. Moreover, it's free from harmful substances like PTFE and PFOA, ensuring safe and healthy cooking. With a generous 5.3 quart capacity, the Calphalon slow cooker is perfect for family dinners that require only one pot, streamlining the cooking process. Additionally, the oven-safe cooking pot provides flexibility for further heating, cooking, or keeping dishes warm. Its gorgeous dark stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop, while its sturdy metal construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Made from a blend of aluminum, iron, copper, magnesium, manganese, carbon, phosphorus, chromium, nickel, titanium, and zinc, this product is crafted to meet various cooking needs efficiently and effectively. At number 4, we have the versatile Black & Decker 7-quart digital slow cooker with temperature probe plus precision sous vide. This cooker offers various cooking options to suit your culinary needs. Its 7-quart stoneware crock simplifies classic slow cooking. Just add your ingredients, and the steady low heat will work its magic on roasts, soups, chilies, and more. The temperature probe ensures perfect results with different proteins. Set your desired temperature, insert the probe into the meat, and let the cooker do the rest. Achieve restaurant-quality outcomes effortlessly with the sous vide function, eliminating the hassle and guesswork. This method allows you to prepare food precisely without constant monitoring, maintaining moisture and ensuring consistent cooking. Flexibility is key with heat settings. Low for slow cooking over 8 to 9 hours, high for quicker cooking in 3 to 4 hours, and warm to maintain serving temperature. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe stoneware and a tempered glass lid. Simply choose your temperature and insert the probe for your preferred level of doneness. The cooker adjusts its heat cycles to keep food at the target temperature. The sous vide function guarantees ideal internal food temperature, delivering consistently delicious results. Keep your countertops clean and easily serve dishes without holding the lid. The built-in holder props the lid on the side handles for convenience. This digital slow cooker includes sous vide features like a rack, temperature probe, glass lid, stoneware crock, disposable bags, and recipes to get you started. Coming in at number 3, we have the AllClad 7-quart slow cooker. This aluminum electric slow cooker offers the convenience of being away all day and coming home to a delicious homemade meal, almost as if you have your own personal chef. Just set the programmable LCD screen digital timer for up to 20 hours, and your food will cook slowly on its own, bringing out all those delicious flavors. If your plans keep you out longer, the automatic Keep Warm function activates, maintaining your food's warmth for up to 6 hours, ensuring it's ready to serve whenever you're ready to eat. The aluminum insert heats up quickly and is safe to use on a stovetop. The stainless steel lid retains heat and moisture, ensuring the perfect texture. Plus, the integrated riveted handles allow you to easily move it from countertop to tabletop, making it convenient to use as a serving dish. A 7-quart capacity is large enough to prepare meals for the entire family and entertain guests during holiday gatherings. The KitchenAid KSC6223SS 6-quart slow cooker with a solid glass lid takes the second spot on our list. This cooker empowers you to effortlessly prepare a wide range of delicious dishes, from savory beef roasts and tender short ribs to hearty stews and flavorful soups. Equipped with user-friendly features like 24-hour programming, a digital LCD display, and 4 temperature settings, including an automatic keep warm mode. It's incredibly easy to operate. This slow cooker is perfect for both simple and elaborate recipes, accommodating everything from savory soups to hearty roasts. Whether you're slow cooking beef short ribs on low, preparing a casserole on medium, or simmering soup on high, this cooker streamlines the preparation of various recipes. Once the cooking time is up, it seamlessly transitions to keep warm mode, maintaining the temperature for up to 4 hours to keep your food ready to serve. You have the flexibility to set the cooking duration precisely for up to 24 hours, adjusting in 30-minute intervals as needed. With the convenience of the digital LCD display, programming the slow cooker is a breeze, ensuring a hassle-free cooking experience every time. The Greenpan Elite 6 Quartz Slow Cooker is our top pick at the #1 spot. This state-of-the-art cooker allows you to sear meat and vegetables directly in the pot before transitioning to a low and slow cooking mode, resulting in perfectly cooked dishes. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to Thermalon Volt, a healthy ceramic non-stick coating that is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, making it safe for your health and the environment. Crafted with modern appliances in mind, the diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating used in the Greenpan Elite doesn't degrade like traditional coatings, ensuring lasting performance. Its durability and ease of cleaning make it ideal for daily use in the kitchen. One of the standout features of the Greenpan Elite is its ability to brown food directly in the pot, eliminating the need for additional stovetop cooking. Whether you're searing meat or sautéing vegetables, this cooker can handle it all with ease. The Greenpan Elite also offers versatility with its cooking settings, including slow cook, roast, brown, sauté, and steam, allowing you to easily find the perfect setting for your dish. Additionally, the sturdy housing is designed to withstand daily wear and tear in the kitchen, ensuring longevity. To further enhance your cooking experience, the Greenpan Elite comes with a cookbook containing 50 recipes for every meal of the day. With these effortless, slow cooker recipes, you can prepare delicious meals with just the press of a button, making mealtime a joy. That's it for this video. We hope you found it useful. Do like, share, and subscribe to get more from Up on Top. Also do share your thoughts in the comments section below.